You guys, I had to sneak one in. He been bugging me. You got to get it done. Nah, it's a simple.
So Izzy, what are you doing on this Mercedes right here?
I had the part, the pulley.
Why are you replacing that?
Oh, it's making noise. He's complaining. He's picky.
Oh, I heard you're complaining?
Yeah, I don't want to mess up the belt.
Well, let's see how it's done.
Not that bad. It's just hot. I gotta stick my arm way in there. I gotta go in there blind. So, see that? No. See that? Come up here. There you go. Take this pulley out right there. Put a belt tap. Here. Now I can move the belt. Ta-da!
What you do? Hit the tensioner for it?
Yeah, that's it, buddy. Then you set the belt to the side. You wiggle, wiggle, wiggle with it. You pull that out. You take this bad guy right there. See that? That's a T50. Yeah, T50. Boom. This little guy right here. This is what the dealer charged you $200 for. Go bring this to Mercedes, man.
How much are you charging?
He's a good guy. I charge maybe a little, like $20 more than a dealer.
So you're looking at 220, you come to off that too.
Yeah, so you gotta snake this through here, like, cause it, oops, I'm sorry, but you gotta come through here with it, cause the manufacturer wanted it that way. So, put the bolt back in. Nothing special. You know, the bolt has its own little, see that little space there? So it notches in there, and they got bearings in there and just spins. These bearings are shot. His water pump went, so.
Start damaging.
Yeah, started down. One thing started going, especially a water pump. Yeah, it started damaging all your pulleys, your belt, something for 10 minutes of your time, and $30 part will cause a few $100s in damages, or maybe more.
Maybe in the engine.
Yeah, maybe an engine, because the customer don't know. No, he don't. He's not a mechanic. He's just driving. He's just gonna hear a weird noise. If the belt breaks and it keeps driving, he's not gonna notice until the car overheats, because everything's not running. It might be too late at that point. Seems a little bit stiffer than the last one. She's fancy. Gotta snake my hand back down there. All the way back down there. Yeah, you see that? I gotta get way down. Let me follow the ratchets. You can't see it on the camera, but I can feel it. See that little guy right there? That took 5 minutes. Fire her up.